from what I've been seeing. I got everything installed. Now it's just roughed in right now, so don't be mad at me. Got the full river battery going. Got the Taramp amp. Everything looking good. Only got 4 gauge going to everything, but hey, it's 4 gauge. It's gonna be plenty. I do not have it tuned whatsoever yet. That will be to come. I just wanted to do kind of a unboxing, even though I didn't unbox. It is a bad dude. Came with it's got it roughed in right now, but it's got the clip protect and on. I'm gonna mount it probably right there, something like that, real nice. Anyways, I will be back. Also, let's show you what I got them on for now. I'm gonna do the 215s first. 215-inch skar, EVLs, dual 2s. On the Birchwood 10-inch arrow port. I'll be back with more, guys. P does it out.